So we've taken off the cover of the oil pump just to have a good look inside, and we're looking for nicks or signs of wear. A lot of people put a new oil pump on anyway, which is probably not that bad of an idea, but this engine was in such good shape that we decided to have a good look at it. So we're looking for nicks in the rotor assembly, and it looks good, as everything has looked good on this engine. And we are going to inspect the every angle that we can. We're going to inspect the cover. We're going to inspect the housing for signs of wear, and you'll see some signs of wear in here. You can see some circular marks there that are normal for an engine. I would say has about 60,000 miles on it. There's a little more wear there, but it is in the acceptable range. So after we've done all our inspections, we kind of put some assembly glue. We put quite a bit in here in the reassembled, and we put it back together in the same position as it was, like the rotor outer ring and the rotor inner drive is in the same position as it, in the same groove as it was when we took it apart. And then we're going to torque the cover back on and get it ready to install on the engine. One quick note here: if you don't put that assembly lube in there and it's completely dry, there's a possibility it will not pick up oil because it will not be primed when you start the engine. Next, we're going to install the timing chain and sprockets, and we blind the crankshaft sprocket toward the camshaft. And the camshaft's been installed and torqued and greased, as you can see that, and we've greased all the lobes and the journals as we installed it. And then we get another shot of it here that you can see it a little bit better. Then we put the camshaft sprocket on and line the mark up to the crankshaft sprocket. Then we remove it again. Then we obtain the chain, the timing chain, and then reinstall it with the marks lined up, and then proceed to check that, and then torque the camshaft sprocket on. So here's a front shot of it. You can see the marks lining up. So we're going to get the necessary parts to torque it on. That's the drive for the fuel pump, and then the inner ring and the bolt. And there we have it, torqued on, marks lined up, ready to get the timing chain cover on. Well, we've got the oil pump on, checked and installed, the timing chain on. You can see that little cover or plate that goes on with the crankshaft sprocket. That's on, and we're ready to start putting covers and the oil pan on. So hope you enjoyed that. That's part one. There'll be more to come with torquing the heads and whatnot. Thank you very much.